So the day has arrived. We have been waiting for this for the past 2 months, and today it has finally arrived. My name's Andrew Berry, and welcome to At the Bench's YouTube channel. So back all those months ago, 9th of July 2021, I'm pleased to say that our YouTube channel reached 100,000 subscribers. And I want to say thank you all of you guys who have subscribed to this channel for subscribing at the end of the day. And you've had to listen to me drone on about jewelry day in, day out. That's if you watch this channel day in, day out. And so today has finally arrived. You know what happens when you reach 100,000 subscribers on YouTube? Yes, you get in the post this. This is an award from YouTube, as you can easily see upon the top of the parcel. And now this is the time when it's sort of customary for YouTubers to actually do an unboxing. Now, I do have a big boy badass knife specifically for unboxing, but do you think I can find it? Not a chance. Cannot find it at all. So I've just got to make do with a simple little Stanley knife, which at the end of the day does the same thing, just doesn't look as impressive. Okay, so I had to remind them about this reward. Normally, within a few weeks of you passing your milestone, like 100,000 or 1 million subscribers, you get notified and then you go through the process of getting your award. It took them a couple of months and I had to gently remind them. You know what I'm like, gently reminding. But eventually, yes, it has now come. So here we go. Cut through, cut through, cut through. Nice, nice, nice. Cut through the sides. I have not opened this. I've been wanting to open this for the past 3 days, but I really wanted to wait until I could get and do an unboxing because I just don't know. You've seen these on YouTube, but I haven't seen one in real life. And this is the moment that you and I are going to see this for the first time. So here we go. Let's open up the parcel. Oh, not a lot in that at the moment. We've got a nice bit of black foam. So let's remove the foam and we've got a lovely little letter. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honoured to take part in recognising your achievement and want to experience your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Well, Rick, thank you very much indeed. Really do appreciate that. And here is the letter from Susan. This is the CEO of YouTube. Do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th? Your 1000th. Chances are you do, and we know that you definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber. And it goes on and on. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed and their numbers increased because of your unique voice, and excitement of being part of the growing community that you have established. We are thrilled to see the development of your community and are proud to honour your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations! We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to engage and amaze them with even more of your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Yours sincerely, Susan. Thank you very much, Susan. It's very kind of you. And here it is. Presented to At the Bench for passing 100,000 subscribers. Wow, 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 wow. Recognise your team. I've recognised my team. Don't worry, I have. And something else will be in the post. All right then. So let's have a look. We have got a nice plastic packaging. Let's take this out and let's have a look, shall we? Oh my gosh, look at that. How absolutely amazing and gorgeous is that? Hey, how about that? That is looking lush. 2 little holes to hang it up on the wall. Really impressed with that. It's taken a long while to get to 100,000. It's trying to come up with original content all the time for YouTube. As you know, we have our online jewelry training website At The Bench, and I really do want to try and keep these 2 online tutorials separate. But producing content for YouTube has always been fun, as you know that. You've seen the outtakes on some of the films that we've been doing. So that is, oh, I see my face in it. That is an amazing, amazing achievement. Absolutely fabulous. There we go. That's the unboxing. Going to put it up on the wall by there, or by there, or right by there. Could go right by there, couldn't it? Right behind me. I'm not quite sure where I'm going to stick it yet, but I'm sure I'll stick it somewhere nice. So don't forget, you too can get one of these plaques. You just have to get your 100,000 subscribers. I know there are lots of you out there who are receiving these daily. So if you want to produce content for YouTube, just go out there and do it. Make your first steps. Because who knows, in a few weeks, months, years' time, you could have your own silver plaque, and who knows, another 896,000 subscribers. Yeah, I'm on about 104,000 now. I could be here celebrating my 1 millionth subscriber. Now, wouldn't that be absolutely fabulous? Got a long way to go, but I'm sure I'll get there. But there we go. In the meantime, don't forget, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe and tickle that little bell on the end there, it's actually down there, to be notified when films go live on our YouTube channel. If you like this film, it's been a pretty boring one, just showing me unboxing, but if you like it, just give this film a thumbs up. I'd absolutely love you to. But in the meantime, my name is Andrew Berry for At The Bench's YouTube channel. Take care. I will see you next time.